Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today, we have 3 work from home opportunities just for you. The first work from home opportunity comes from the company Exeter Finance. They're looking for a remote loan servicing representative. It pays up to $17.25 an hour. At Exeter Finance, we are committed to helping customers find the right financing for their next vehicle purchase. By building strong relationships with our customers and network of dealer partners, we are able to give options that make sense, getting customers behind the wheel of their car. Every team member is integral to our success. Whether you're at a servicing center helping customers with their loans, in the field building relationships with dealers, or supporting the company from its corporate offices, you'll enjoy a nurturing, invigorating, and positive work environment. Our vision is to be a premier finance company and lender of choice known for its people, performance, and service. Job description. Job summary. The collector I position will perform recovery efforts to minimize losses on accounts that are identified as being delinquent for 5 to 80 days. In addition, this team member may be responsible for general customer service questions including daily interest accrual, pay dates, and due date changes requests. In the collector I role, customer accounts may be assigned monthly. The collector I may use both an auto dialer and manual dialing to contact and negotiate with customers. Team member must have ability to perform as backup for other departments as business needs dictate. Job duties. Works with customer in an effort to satisfy any deficient balances. Reviews, monitors, and engages with a high volume of customers per day. Reviews delinquent accounts daily and maintains losses at or below established guidelines for assigned job duties. Accurately documents all account activities and pertinent information to include, but not limited to, verifications and demographic changes. Meets individual and departmental objectives set by department management. Strives to continuously improve the quality and productivity of work. Notifies management of accounts needing additional attention. Ensures compliance with Exeter's policies, procedures, safety, state and federal laws, regulations, and standards. Other duties as assigned. Education and work experience. High school diploma or equivalent. College degree preferred. 0 to 3+ years of collections experience or equivalent education and training is required. Experience in the finance or credit industry a plus. Familiarity with indirect loan documentation, i.e., contracts, ancillary products, certificates, bankruptcies is preferred. Database skills a plus. A working knowledge of automobile finance, collections, loan services, and/or specialty areas preferred. Proficiency in Shaw Collections and Shaw Retail is a plus. Proficiency in Microsoft Word and Excel is required. Proven analytical and problem-solving skills is required, as well as the ability to utilize appropriate analysis, judgment, and logic. Excellent written and verbal communication skills are required. Self-motivated with the ability to complete multiple tasks with minimal supervision. High attention to detail, able to methodically review the execution of procedures and identify issues. Exeter Finance LLC is an equal opportunity employer. Job type, full-time. Pay $17.25 per hour. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below under job number 1 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have more job leads here on this video and every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. The next work from home opportunity comes from the company Sportradar. They're looking for a sports data operator. It pays up to $160 per game. We pay up to $160 per game plus expenses. What? We are looking for reliable, enthusiastic people that can track events from college, professional sports in real time from the venue. You must be at least 18 years old with a strong knowledge of one or more of the following: sports, football, basketball, baseball, ice hockey, and volleyball. You will be a vital part of the team, providing real-time data in an exciting work environment. Responsibilities: attend games and collect data in venue in real time. Monitor and verify game details, such as changes in starting time, venue info. Uphold the morals, ethics, and standards of the profession. Requirements: excellent knowledge of the rules, teams, and players in the game assigned. Must be able to attend matches in person via your own means of transport. Excellent attention to detail. clear and efficient communication skills. Benefits: competitive pay based on the successful completion of accurate, timely data collected. Work based on your own availability. Expenses for tickets and travel are fully reimbursed. Full data collection training included. Introduction to the sports technology industry. Who is Sportradar? We are the leading global sports technology company creating immersive experiences for sports fans and bettors. Listed on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange in 2021 and established in 2001, the company is well positioned at the intersection of the sports, media, and betting industries. We provide sports federations, news media, consumer platforms, and sports betting operators with a range of solutions to help grow their business.
If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below under job number 2 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have more job leads here on this video and every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you.
The next work from home opportunity comes from the company Done. They're looking for a provider relationship manager. It pays up to $66,000 a year. Who we are, Done is a telemedicine company specializing in the treatment and expansion of mental health conditions with a primary focus on ADHD for now. We are a team of individuals with backgrounds that reach across multiple industries, walks of life, and perspectives working to build the strongest offerings for patients. We live by a patient-first mentality and make every decision focusing on patients. As a company, Done has team members from all over the world in 8 different time zones. We are remote first with a focus on ensuring that everyone who joins our team is able to be successful working from where they feel most comfortable. We're all passionate about helping patients get the care they need while changing the stigma around ADHD for everyone. We're on a mission to grow to new heights and have already seen substantial growth over the last 2 years. Who you are, you're someone who brings yourself to work every day, ready to tackle a new challenge, dig up an old one, or proactively execute on a new project. You're a team player that appreciates both high-touch collaboration and individual time to work on your tasks at hand. You've got the ability to wear multiple hats and push forward the mission of patient-first healthcare. The role: operations, provider success, and support. What you'll do: manage a total of 35 providers in MST provider performance management, monitoring reviews, providing constructive feedback, coaching, ensuring that every patient has a stellar experience. Provider compensation, ensuring hours are accurately tracked and active coordination with the payroll department. HR, bring forward any level of concern actively and present solutions in each conversation. Compensation and benefits. As an exempt salaried employee fulfilling this role, you could expect to earn between $46,000 $60,000 annually in addition to the $6,000 in below benefits annually. A meaningful equity component to establish you as an owner, just like the rest of the team at Done, and opportunities for larger roles. As a full-time employee, you'll share in the following company benefits: unlimited paid time off, recharge when you need to without worrying about how much time you have left in a bank of hours. Working from anywhere, we'll make sure you have a company computer that's easy to travel with so you can change your work setting as you see fit. Fully paid for health benefits. We'll cover all benefits for yourself. A Done team member in full, we offer multiple plans to choose from and all include medical, dental, and vision benefits. HSA, FSA offerings. In conjunction with health benefits, you'll also be able to select if you'd like to enroll in a health savings account or flexible spending account. Retirement savings plan matching. Done matches up to 4% of your contributions to a retirement plan for you automatically with each check starting after your first 30 days on board. Job type: full-time. Pay up to $66,000 per year. Benefits: 401k, matching, dental insurance, flexible schedule, health insurance, health savings account, life insurance, paid time off, parental leave, vision insurance, work from home, schedule, 8-hour shift, experience, account management, 1 year required, negotiation, 1 year required, leadership, 1 year required, sales, 1 year preferred.
If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description
below under job number 3 so you can apply
right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have
more job leads here on this channel every single day.
So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you.
One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notified viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.